Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to make timelines scroll smoothly with cool morph effects? Let's dive in. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose the landscape video format, then proceed to the next step to begin customizing your project with the selected settings. Select the rectangle shape from the Elements menu. Click to add it to the desired area on your canvas. Drag the shape downward to position it properly. Next, change its color by selecting the color option and choosing your preferred shade. You can also customize the shape further by adding effects or adjusting size and transparency to fit your design needs perfectly. Enter the text and update the year to 2025 or 2026. Then, adjust the date to match, such as changing it to the 25th. Make sure both the year and date are consistent throughout the document. Review all instances carefully to ensure accuracy. After updating, save your changes to keep the document current. This simple step helps maintain correct timelines for your project or presentation. Press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard to transform the selection. Next, group the elements by selecting them all, then right-click and choose Group. Now, resize the group by dragging the corner handles to enlarge it. Position the group to the side of your workspace for better layout balance. To add images, click the Insert menu, then select Images. Search for a family photo to include in your design. Once you find a suitable image, drag it into the designated area on your canvas. To enhance the composition, add a line by selecting the Line tool from the toolbar. Draw the line where needed to guide the viewer's eye or separate elements. Adjust the line's thickness and color in the Properties panel to match your design style. Add a rectangle element to your project. Next, apply the desired extension to this rectangle. This process ensures that the element remains intact and functional. By adding the extension properly, you prevent any breakage or errors. Repeat these steps for other elements as needed. Following this method keeps your design stable and fully operational throughout your workflow. Next, we'll add a rectangle to the design. Click the Shape tool, select the rectangle, and draw it onto your canvas. Now choose the fill color by clicking the color picker. Adjust the transparency slider to make the rectangle semi-transparent, allowing the background to show through subtly. After setting the desired opacity, it's time to insert an image. Click the Add Image button and select the family photo from your files. Position the photo over the rectangle on your design. Resize and move the image as needed to fit the layout. These steps create a layered effect with color and visuals, enhancing your design's overall appeal. This combination adds depth and interest to your first. Add a blank page below by pressing Ctrl plus D. Next, set the desired number of times for duplication. Then, copy the selected content to the new page. This process helps quickly replicate your elements across multiple pages, saving time and maintaining consistency. Use the duplicate shortcut and copy functions to streamline your workflow efficiently. Repeat these steps as needed to build your document with identical or similar pages. First, select the object and press the R key to rotate it slightly. Adjust the rotation value to 25 degrees. Next, add a transition effect by selecting it and increasing the duration to make it smoother. Move the playhead to your desired starting point and click play to preview the animation. Once satisfied with the effect, delete the current picture by selecting it and pressing delete. Finally, add a new photo by dragging it into the timeline or media panel. Position the new image where needed and adjust its duration to fit the sequence. This process ensures your project flows smoothly with seamless transitions and updated visuals. Detach the background from the photo. Then, add the photo to your design. Resize it to fill the entire page, ensuring it fits perfectly without cropping important details. Once positioned, preview your design to see the full effect with the photo occupying the whole page. Adjust if needed, then save your work with the updated layout for a professional look. To begin, apply the match and move transition to the current slide. Next, increase the duration to create a smooth effect. Repeat this process for all remaining slides to maintain consistency throughout your presentation. After applying the transitions, copy the template design from the first slide. Then move the copy template slightly to the right to align it properly with your layout. This adjustment ensures that the design elements appear uniform across all slides while enhancing visual flow. By following these steps, your presentation will have cohesive slide transitions and polished design continuity. This approach saves time and keeps your slides visually engaging from start to finish. Remember to double-check each slide after applying changes. When working with this template, be careful when editing to avoid causing your machine to malfunction. First, duplicate the template to create a backup. Then add the duplicated version to your project. Select the element you want to adjust and move it upward using your keyboard arrows for precise control. Next, add another photo by selecting the appropriate option and placing the image where you want it within the layout. This method ensures your original template remains intact while allowing you to safely make changes. By duplicating and managing elements carefully, you prevent errors and maintain smooth operation throughout your editing process. Continue refining the placement of your photos and elements until the designs. Play the video to review your final version. When you're ready, click the Share button to access sharing options. To download, first increase the video quality by selecting a higher resolution. After adjusting the quality, click the Download button to save your video. This ensures you get the best possible version. This completes the editing and exporting process for your video. Now you can create smooth animated scrolling timelines with Canva Morph transitions. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.